Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Bank of America, www.bankofamerica.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Online Banking from the options provided. You will be directed to the login page. Now, enter your username in the designated field. Ensure that your username is correct as it is case sensitive. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your password for accuracy. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case you forgot your username or password, click the respective link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your credentials. Once logged in, you can access your account information. Explore the various features available in your online banking dashboard. For extra security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Always log out when you're finished, especially on public computers. This concludes the step-by-step login process for Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.